I'm no longer giving content anymore. I'm giving content. So the cunt we're serving today is this look. You see this here? Let's get to pecking at this makeup. First, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. brow lift. Brush up our brows. Put these on before your foundation, or else just gonna fuck up the entire face, and we're not allowing that because that's not very cunt of us. So le brush. Now take the very tip of that and then start to shape it. So I'm just gonna press that in. Go around that brow and remove any of that excess gel. Using two primers, both are from e.l.f. One is for pore refining, so I'm gonna put that all over my T-zone, and the rest is for luminosity, so all over my face. For foundation, NARS Sheer Glow and CT Flawless Filter. KBD concealer of my under eye highlight. Just applying that where I want that luminosity. This is my first time using it, and oh my god, I love it. This is something that you should mix with your foundation or wear it by itself to add that glow. And use NARS Sheer Glow. Gorgeous. CP bronze sticks for contour. Okay, on to the eyes, bitch. Naturally fill my brows in. In the image, they're just kind of filled and brushed up. Okay, pay attention. If you're oily like me, just dab off the excess oil with some tissue. Primer on your lids. Dab. Compact angle brush. Concealer. Look straight ahead, angling from the pupil here. The very end. Stamp that right there. Boom, as a side. Light brown. It's like a transition shade. And then sweep that all over your lid. Bada bing, bada boom. And for the inner corner, we need that very subtle but nice highlight. Bam. I want to see what this shade does, so I'm just going to add a bit of that to the inner corner. Oh my god, I love it. Just a little, just a smidge. You know how little patience you have? Like, just add that much. Very little patience, so just... Like, that's so fucking pretty. Oh my god. A black waterproof liner. I go into the waterline and just line. That just gives you such a nice definition, doesn't it? Yeah. For the lashes. Lashes are spiky. Longest lash in the middle, and then... The fuck am I trying to say? Like a triangle, you know? Shorter on the sides, longer in the middle. Velour Sinful lashes. Lashes have to have that volume and them layers, okay? We're gonna take this lash and we're just going to snip it into pieces. Okay, so those lashes were not spiky enough for my liking. So what I'm going to do, take mascara. I'm gonna scrape some with some tweezers. Just pinch those lashes together. So it forms that spike. This is before when it's a little too loose, and this is after when it's pinched. Pull your lashes, and then apply mascara, making sure we coat every individual lash at the base and then wiggle up to the very tip. A vertical, and then go back and forth. Coats the lashes way more effectively. Focus a tip on shaping the lashes. Try to get these spiky too. So let's take one of those slipped lashes, lash glue liner, apply that in the middle. Get it as close to your lash line as possible and measure to make sure that's how long you want the lash. And we're gonna take the mascara. Yeah, gonna pinch. Feel like I'm a lash surgeon. Ka-sing. Get sliced like a sword. Okay, let it dry. 2 hands if needed, close as possible. Okay, add the glue at the end there. Okay, that works, but I feel like there should be more lashes on the side there to give it a little bit more layers. So I'm gonna take another snippet of the lash, but I'm not going to make it spiky. Apply it right next to it to see what it does. Okay, do you guys see the difference? I like it a little better with more lashes there. Other side. Yo. Look at that shit. Oh my god. Now the liquid liner. Fill in any of those gaps. Ooh. Going to add a little bit of this coral pink blush. Sweeping that very gently on the apples of my cheeks. Ew, I hate brushes that shed. Stop it. Very light powder. Highlight under my eye, giving more attention to the eyes and contrast to the darkness. A little bit more highlight, so I'm gonna pop this in the middle of my nose and the tip. Lining the lips. Use my fingers to just blend it in. Girl, if you saw my previous video on unboxing these, no words, just vibes. So first, this gloss, right? But wait, there's more. Does this slay or does this slay? It slays. Adding some pearls because luxury and edginess together, maximum bad bitch. The final look. Done. Namaste, you slay.